have no plans of going here. But then, I really do believe in destiny. Sino po yung mga naniniwala dito sa destiny? I really do believe in destiny. So, since when I go there, hindi pa po ako active, kaka-join ko lang. That was September of 2018. I did not join for the purpose of doing the business. I just bought the product. And for all you know, when you buy the product, automatically you become a member, right? And so sabi ni Jet, Ate Mai, you send to me your passport. Now I will book you to Hong Kong. So my first goal during that time is to only attend LRN so I could go to Hong Kong. Kasi it will be my first time going to Hong Kong. So doon lang po ako excited. And so, on that day, parang nag-change yung mind. Sabi ko parang napakahirap naman yun. Wala akong kakilala. Because my brother, during that time, my brother Derson, also at Emilio Pago, wala pa siyang passport. So that time, hindi siya nakakasama. So, in the morning, I was really thinking so hard to go or not to go. And so I said, our flight was 2 o'clock. And so I said, aalis ako na 11 a.m. So that if I will be late, I'll have a reason not to go. Tama ba? But then you know what? That's why I really do believe in destiny. Because I know that God really wants me to be in Hong Kong during that time. You know, I left Santa Rosa at 11 a.m. Pagsakay ko sa bus, ako na lang po yung inaantay para umalis. Tapos pagdating namin sa kalsada, wala pong traffic. Dire-diretso, 40 minutes nasa Magallanes na ako. And then, exactly 12 noon, nasa airport na ako. Pagdating ko po sa airport, walang pila sa immigration. Ginawi lahat ni Lord for me to be in Hong Kong so I could see this kind of opportunity. And because of that event, ladies and gentlemen, 5 years down the line, now I am here in Riway. And like I always say, Riway is my vehicle, my fastest vehicle, no, a shortcut to my dreams. And for the past 5 years, ladies and gentlemen, yung lahat ng mga pangarap ko for the past 10 years, in the span of 5 years, I was able to achieve all my dream work. When I was in a beauty company, I had a dream board. No? So really, one day, if you have time, you make your own dream board. So I did not realize, I just realized lately that in Mary Kay, I had my dream board. And when I checked my dream board, because I was looking for a document, and when I saw again my dream board, OMG, these are my dreams 5 years ago. But because of the platform of Riway, that dream board is intended for the next 20 years. But because of the platform of Riway, in less than 5 years, ladies and gentlemen, I was able to achieve all the dreams in the dream board. And last Tuesday, when we had our Tuesday event here, we have event here on Tuesday for exclusive for the group of Raymond Tong, Coach Raymond Tong, our Team Supreme Pegasus 3, one ring. Na pwede ko ba natin palapakan? I was talking to one of my member downline. So I said to her that in a month I am paying 100,000 for the mortgage of lots. Yung mga lupa po namin sa mga subdivision. So that is more than 100,000 every single month. So, mortgage pa lang po yun ng mga lupa. Can you imagine? That is the lifestyle of the leaders in Riway International. And so that was my story. No, mostly siguro alam na yung story namin. Tama ba? Sino yung mga first-timers natin? Huwag pong mahiya. Taas po kamay. Wala nang tayong putok. Okay, for the benefit of the first-timers, yung story po namin, really, we started as a product user. So, our intention to buy during that time was only to let our father use the product is during the time my father was already bedridden, dying. He suffered severe COPD 2018. Pinainom siya ng brother ko. That's why Gerson was able to join. Gerson is my sponsor and Gerson is very lucky because he is getting my matching bonus. And my matching bonus every year para sa kanya is not less than 1 million. Matching bonus alone. Okay? Pwede na ba yun? No? Natulog ka lang na 1 million ka? Wala kang ginawa? And so, yun po yung kanyang reward. It's because siya po yung batang nagmamahal sa tatay na maglo-loan para makainom yung tatay. Kasi yung reason po niya during the time is, sabi niya, yung pera, ikitain ko pa ulit-ulit. Tama po ba?
Yes.
Yung buhay ng tatay ko, pag nawala yan, wala akong mabibiling buhay sa palengke. Tama ba?
Yes.
And so, he decided right there and then to have a loan and then purchase one set, dinala sa bahay, pinainom yung tatay ko. For all you know, yung condition ng papa ko before ko siya uminom, merong 2 tangke ng oxygen on the side because he needs oxygen from time to time. Severe COPD po, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. And so, kailangan po niyang mag-nebulize every 3 hours, round the clock, 24 hours. Yun na lang po yung bumubuhay sa kanya, oxygen and nebulizer and all the 20 maintenance medications. So when I started taking, after 3 months, from being a bedridden, gumagala na po siya sa barangay namin, nagmumotor. After 3 months. And then fast forward, after 6 months, up until now, 6 years down the line, ladies and gentlemen, buhay na buhay yung papa ko malakas. Hindi ko kailangan mag-suffer ang kailangan kukunin ni Lord. And we are so thankful of this product of Freeway International. But like our MC said, no, pwede ba natin palakpakan yung napakaganda natin MC? Idol ko rin yan eh. Magaling yung mag-office sa ganun. So, sabi nga niya, if you are only here to know more about the product, you miss a really, really big part of your life. It is because the business platform of Freeway International is extraordinary. Wala po itong katulad. If you are looking for a company that is really willing to invest in you so that each and everyone who will join the company, regardless kung nauna o nahuli, will really become successful, this is the platform that you are looking for. Dapat mas malakas yung palakpak natin. This moment is the most crucial moment kasi inaantok na yung lahat. Tama ba? And so like I always say, nandito na rin kayo, lubos-lubosin nyo na. Okay? So, makinig po tayo, no? Open your hearts, open your mind, and listen. No? Huwag po mag-cellphone.
Tama.
I'm very strict, no? Pag ako yung speaker, strict ko talaga. Huwag po mag-cellphone. Nakatingin sa akin sa sermon. Huwag po mag-cellphone. No, you listen. Kasi minsan lang po ito. Maybe this moment could also be your turning point. No, just like when I was in Hong Kong, for the past 13 years, wala pong nabago sa buhay ko. Kaya nga tinawag yan ng pay slip eh. Pay slip. No? Tapos pagkadating ng Petsa de Peligro, wala ka na namang pera. Tama ba? Alam mo ngayon, now that I am in Freeway, hindi ko na alam yung Petsa de Peligro kasi wala pong Peligro dito. Basta masipag ka. Okay? So this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, my topic is about cultivate a good learning attitude.
Yun.
No? So, kailangan natin to is because our company really, the foundation, that is why really is Freeway is really a strong company. Hindi mo po mabubunot yung Freeway in the market. It's because Freeway is really built on knowledge. And since Freeway is built on knowledge, no, it encourages us to grow. Correct? No, so, kasi, Yung boss natin, do you like a boss that is teaching you by example?
Yes.
Our boss is a leader who walks the talk. Our boss is a man whose motivation is no longer to earn money. The motivation of our boss is to make an impact, make a difference in this lifetime, ladies and gentlemen. If you have that kind of boss, you will be so proud, and mas malakas po dapat yung palakpak natin para sa inyo. And so today, I was so busy yesterday. I had so many product presentations, and this morning I had meetings. And so, it is my first time to have my notes. So allow me, forgive me, because I was not so prepared. But I really want to give my best. Because, ganun po dapat ang motto natin. In everything we do, we really must give our best.
Yeah.
We don't do it halfway, but we do and give our best. Okay ba yun?
Yes.
Okay, so, for us to be a good listener, or for us to cultivate a good learning attitude, we must not be, ano matawag yun? Okrayista. Paano ba yun sasabihin? Yung nag-o-okray, no? Naku, si Miss May, pinaakyat sa stage, Bisaya naman. Matigas yung ibang English. So instead of doing that, instead of looking for the negative things, ayun sabi ni Sir Mon, maganda daw. Sabi nga ni Sir Mon, ako daw yung may pinakamakinis na balat sa balat ng lupa. Pwede mo natin palapakan si Sir Mon. Naniwala ko nila. And so for us to cultivate a good learning attitude, from now onwards, we must look for something positive. Instead of always looking at the negative side. Naku, ano ba yung MC? Mali naman yung grammar. Pero hindi naman mali yung grammar. Example lang yun. Ano ba yung pinapaakyat nila? Tuwang-tuwa pa sila, pinapalampakan lahat. Pero hindi naman magaling magsalita. Ilang sentence lang, bumaba na kaagad. So we must not be that kind of person. Because kapag nauunahan po tayo ng mga judgments, nauunahan po tayo ng mga prejudgments, we don't have a room to learn anymore. Kasi yung nakikita lang natin lagi, negative. No? But then, if we rotate that mindset, that instead, yun na, no? That instead of looking on the negative things, we look on the positive things, that even though Miss Mai, matigas yung tila, Bisaya kasi. But then, may sinasabi naman siyang nag-make sense at natututo tayo somehow. Tama po ba? At even though yung nagsalita, hindi naman masyadong magaling, pero yung mga baby sa likod, sasabihin nila, very good job, very good job, very good job. Because of course, no, these people are looking for that experience. Aba, madali bang tumayo sa harap at magsalita? Madali ba? Siyempre, yung taong yun, yung pagsabi or pag-accept pa lang niya ng challenge to go on stage, pinapalakpakan na po yun. Ganon po ang culture ni Ringway International. Okay, so that is the first point. So, the second point, ladies and gentlemen, is when we learn, we need to prioritize. Ibig sabihin, kung merong nagsasalita dito, tapos hindi mo masyadong gusto yung mga sinasabi niya, it's just like you are eating a fish. Di ba pag kumakain ka ng fish? Di ba pag kumakain ka ng isda, kinakain mo ba lahat? Di ba pag kumakain ka ng isda, tinatapon mo yung tinik? So same as true with learning. No, so you just get the good things, you throw away the bad things. And that is one way. No, so we can learn better. And ladies and gentlemen, I want you to know na meron palang study na ginawa sa Harvard. Merong dalawang doctors doon na inaral nila yung mga tao when it comes to the learning process. So sabi niya, when a man knows very little, he will be overwhelmed with confidence. So just like each and every one of us, when we get to join Leeway and we know a few of the things and we get so excited, lumabas ka, and then kung ano-ano na yung pinagsasabi mo, hindi pala tama. No, kasi overconfident. Pag ang tao daw, kakaunti pa lang ang alam, nagiging overconfident. No? And then, yung effect na yon, iniisip niya na mas more confident pa siya than the expert. No? And then, but a man with little knowledge but with high confidence has the syndrome of Dunning-Kruger effect. Yun pala yung pinag-aralan nila, no? Na yung tao, pagkaunti lang yung alam, minsan ang taas-taas ng confidence. But then, no, sabi niya, when a man know nothing, it is their peak of stupidity. And when he started learning more, he will realize that he used to be foolish before. Just like when I was starting in Leeway, ladies and gentlemen, I really thought that I know everything. No, but then as time goes by, as I continue to learn, I have realized, hey, mali pala yung mga pinagsasabi ko dati. Now, this time you will realize na yung mga bagay na akala mo alam mo na dati, hindi mo pa pala alam. And it takes that moment, no? It takes that moment for you to realize that you really need to learn more. That is why, ladies and gentlemen, kung tatanungin niyo ako kung ilang beses na ako umattend dito, hindi ko na po mabilang. But as long as every single Tuesday and Thursday I come to the office, it's because I know I am looking forward for that. Some things that I could learn every time I step inside this room. Then, these are the stages of learning. First, of course, you know nothing. You know nothing. Then you seek your upline. And the second stage is, you know that you know nothing. No, so pangalawang ito, this is acceptance. Tama ba?
Yes.
Acceptance na alamin or acceptance na sasabihin mo sa sarili mo that I really don't know nothing. No, hindi yung, ako, ayoko na umatin ng leader sharing yan. Alam ko na lahat yan. No, alam niyo po ba yung acne? Acne? No, hindi po yung nasa mukha, ha? Kundi yung ugali ng isang tao na lagi niyang sinasabi, alam ko na yan. Okay? And then, the third stage, ladies and gentlemen, is you know what you know. Meaning this is very specific. Meaning alam mo, alam ko na alam ko na ngayon mag-OPP. Or alam ko na medyo alam ko na yung marketing plan. Pero yun pa lang ang alam ko. No? This is also humbling down yourself na, naku, engineer ako, bakit ako makikinig sa grade 3? Engineer ako bakit ako makikinig sa high school graduate? Engineer ako And the most important thing for you to learn, ladies and gentlemen, is to empty your cup. To know that you know nothing. That is emptying your cup. Just like when you want to get water, yung tubig mo puno pa. Siyempre, pag kumuha ka ng tubig, kunti na lang may dadagdag mo. Pero pag tinapon mo yung laman ng baso mo, at kumuha ka ng tubig, ang dami mong makukuha. Tama ba? No, that is how we cultivate a good learning attitude. And then, sabi nga ni Confucius, no? The real knowledge is to know how ignorant you are by yourself. And sabi ni Shakespeare, foolish people are aware of their ignorance. Wise men act very humbly and modest. That is why yung mga Team Supreme Pegasus 9 na nagsasalita dito, hindi mo po sila mahahanapan ng anything na thinking, no, that they already know everything. Even the Team Supremes, the Draco, no, whenever there will be LPS, nandun pa rin sila. It's because, no, alam nila sa sarili nila, they accepted it, that they still don't know everything. And that is the secret on how we can learn more. No, gusto niyo bang malaman kung bakit si Mai Amugi sobrang every week fired up na fired up? Gusto niyo bang malaman?
Yes!
Every single Sunday. From the afternoon, after ko po mag-church, pag nasa bahay na ako, I will open my Reway account in a big TV. So, malaki po yung TV namin, mga ganito, mga ganyan. Dinrowing talaga, no? So, i-open ko dun yung Reway account ko and then I will go to videos. And right now, ang assignment ko po is to finish the 12 courses. Alam ba natin yung 12 courses?
Yes.
Yun po yung pinaglabanan ng 125 speakers, yung mga champion na doon sila nagsalita sa Malaysia, na yung mga nanalo na nakakuha ng around more than 4 million pesos.
Yes.
These 12 people who won that competition, ladies and gentlemen, you should know each and every topic. And so, pag Sunday afternoon, I will open my account, I will go to videos, I will select kung nasa na ako na topic, and then yung topic na yung uulit-ulitin kong panoorin 5 beses. Pagkatapos ko ng 5 beses, saka po ako magsusulat. Because if you really want to learn, you can find teacher everywhere. Kahit saan ka, no? Especially when I have a chance to talk to influential people, successful people, just like our Team Elite Pegasus Sermon on Dog. When I get that chance, hindi po ako nagsasalita. Nakanganga lang po ako. Tapos siya lang yung pinagsasalita ko. Bakit? Because si Sermon, if he has 35 years of experience, yung experience niya na yun, kaya kong kunin yun in just 2 to 4 hours. Tama ba? That is what I do whenever nakakapagkausap po ako ng mga tao na maraming wisdom. Kailangan makuha ko yung wisdom niya, no? Na in-experience niya ng 35 years, dapat maipasa niya sa akin in a shortest time possible. So I would know more, no? Because if you know more, you will be more no, hindi. You will, tama din yun. The more you learn, the more you earn. But then, if you know more, you will be wiser in all aspects of your life. Kasi alam mo na kung ano yung tama, ano yung mali. Do you agree with me? Tama ba? And so, no, for us to continue cultivating a good learning attitude, meron pala daw tayong 5 steps. Una-una is you have to know the basic knowledge. So ano ba yung mga basic knowledge when you do your Reway business? Of course, una-una sa lahat ay OPP. Hindi pala. This is my way. Una-una sa lahat, you need to master your I story. Alam ba natin yung I story natin? When I started, yun po yung I story ko. No? You need to have your I story. Pwede po yan dagdagan, pagandahin, it's up to you. But first and foremost, you need to write down your I story. So that every time you will meet someone, especially yung mga hindi mo kilala, yung I story mo, it could be 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, yung pinakamahaba. Okay na po yun. So that, yung kausap mo, mas makilala ka na. No? So that is very, very important. I story. Say it with me. I story. Okay? And then you need mag-OPP. Yung mga leaders na hindi po marunong mag-OPP, pag meron kapresentahan, tatawagin si upline. Meron ganon? Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you a secret. If you want to, ano ba yun? Sino mo nag-blackout ako? If you want to go faster, if you want to go faster, you need to be independent. Kasi kung hindi ka marunong mag-OPP at inaantay mo na si Sermon, yung schedule ni Sermon, kung ang schedule ni Sermon puno, ang schedule niya lang na bakante ay December pa. Hindi sa December ka pa mag-OPP sa prospect mo. But then if you know how to do OPP, anytime you will be more productive. You will be more productive, ladies and gentlemen, if you know how to do OPP. And of course, you need to know marketing plan. These are the basic. Ulitin ko, these are the basic. So yun lang po, hindi po mahirap. Madali lang siya. No? Especially kung magagaling kayong apply, magpaturo kayo sa apply nyo, kausapin lahat ng knowledge niya, i-transfer niyo sa inyo. And you will be like your upline. Yung upline mo, 10 years na sa business, kausap mo siya every single day. Lahat ng knowledge niya, alam mo na. Kakasimula mo pa lang sa Riway. Si Sermon, 3 years bago nag-Pegasus, baka ikaw, baka 1 year lang. Tama ba yun? And then, you have to repeat. Hindi po ibig sabihin na, marunong na ako mag-OPP, hindi na ako mag-join ng OPP sa office. Alam ko na yung sinasabi nila. Tapos yung nag-OPP doon, hindi marunong. No? So, pagka ganun po ang attitude natin, hindi po tayo mag-i-improve. Kasi iniisip natin magaling na tayo and wala na an additional knowledge na pwede natin malaman. Tama po ba? And then you need to apply. Kasi kung inaaral lang natin ng inaaral, hindi mo naman ina-apply, useless po yan. Tama po ba? And then you need to master it. The basic knowledge, you need to master it. That whenever, kahit wala kang dalang OPP booklet, pwede kang mag-OPP kasi memorize mo lahat. No? Pwede ba yun? You need to master it. And then you need to reinforce. That is why even though Riway is already 16 years in the market, Riway is still doing LTS every single quarter. That is to reinforce learning. Pwede ba yun? Bakit parang nalungkot lahat kasi naantok? No? Inaantok lahat sa Christmas, ano ba yan? Mga pinagsasabi mo ba? Hindi ko alam. Sige, ulitin natin. What are the 5 steps? I story. Okay. Know the OPP. Know the marketing plan. That is the first step, which is the basic knowledge. Okay? And then the second one is you have to repeat. And then the third one is apply. Wow, nakikinig si Mami And then you have to master it and then you need to
reinforce.
Ang galing! Palakpakan po natin yung ating mga sarili. So ladies and gentlemen, before I end, last Saturday kasi diba nag-opening tayo ng office. And when one of the person who cuts the ribbon, nandito siya sa harap, tapos nagsasalita siya, sobrang dami kong realizations during that time. Sino ba yung may apoy sa kwat dito? Yung hindi na mapakali. Because you really want to grow. No? Because of the fire that the opening of 6 branches have given us. No? Kung sinasabi ni Tito Mon na, ayan, pinangalanan ko na, idol ko to Nung sinasabi ni Tito Mon na kung i-compute mo, even 1% of the population of the Philippines, kung araw-araw nagtitake lang ng isang capsule, this much sales ang makukuha ni Riway. And you know, this much is your income. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, I had come to realize that we are barely scratching the 1%. Excited ba tayo? Parang hindi excited. Ibig sabihin, if we are just barely scratching the 1%, we belong to the pioneer group. Sino ba excited? If pioneer ka, ibig sabihin more chances of growing and more chances of to becoming successful. Tama ba? Miss, may sinasabi mo lang yan. Ang dami-dami na nakaalam ng Riway. Challenge ko kayo. Pumunta kayo sa mall. Magtanong kayo sa 10 tao kung alam ba nila yung Riway. Maybe walang nakakaalam or 1 out of 10. So ladies and gentlemen, if we are just barely starting, in the opening of the office signifies a fresh new start. Tama ba? This opening of the office signifies that whenever we are already 5 years in the business, we use all those learnings, no, those challenges, gamitin natin yon, matuto tayo from the past, and right now, we have the chance to restart again Riway Philippines. And with that, congratulations and mabuhay Riway Philippines! See you all at the top!
Good everyone. Parang humina. Nakatapos lang si Miss Mai ng kanyang sharing, humina na. Uulitin natin. Siguro natulog yung iba kanina. Ulitin natin. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Ayan. Gising na gising. First and foremost, I would like to acknowledge our leaders who are in the room, our team elites. First, to our team elite Pegasus, Sarah Mondo, can we give him a round of applause? Sino pa yung mga team elite Pegasus and team Supreme Pegasus natin dito? And then our team elite Pavo, team elite Monoceros, team elite Phoenix. Thank you for gracing this event. And of course, our star leaders who are in the room, that working so hard, inviting guests, na? Who are the guests for this afternoon? The new ones. Sino yung ngayon lang umattend? Can we raise our hands? Yes, there is a few. So, ano ibig sabihin? Kung bakit in-invite kayo ng kaibigan ninyo? Because your friends really cares for you. They love you. That's the reason why kinulit kayo para umattend sa event na ito. So, can we give our guests a round of applause? So again, my name is Lani Petrigosa. So a little story lang regarding how I encountered this product. Way back 2017, in-introduce ng friend ko sa akin yung product. At first, I'm so skeptical. So most naman, like Miss Mai, like everybody, sabi nga ni CJ, 6 months, no? 6 months siyang kinulit bago niya napagbigyan ng isang chance yung friend niya para umattend. So the same thing with sa akin dito ngayon. So now, way back 2017, nang in-introduce sa akin, because I have my health issues, sabi ko, puro pareho lang yan lahat. But then, nag-inisip ko din, baka ito na yung hope ko, ito na yung chance ko, na? Chance ko for my health condition. And in the same manner, sa ibang tao din, and sa ibang guest natin dito at ibang leaders natin. Na at first, nag-introduce yung product sa kanila, inisip na lang, bakit ito na ang chance? So now, nang ginrab ko yung opportunity during that time, nakita ko na product is really good, no question. Sabi nga ni Miss Mai, di ba, 16 years na tayo. So, ibig sabihin, kung 2017 ako, ilang years pa lang na company. And now, 16 years na. So, ibig sabihin, the company and the product na mayroon way back 2017 nag-improve. So when we say product, actually, isa lang ang product natin in 16 years. And that one product, nang time na nag-start ako, 5th edition, ang aking nainom. Sa ngayon, we have this 7th edition. So, ibig sabihin, ganon na ka-more na na-improve yung product natin. And ganon na rin kadami ang natulungan ng product natin. So, fast forward, ng time ng 2017 na yun, hindi ako nag-stop doon sa product lang. Nakita ko rin yung opportunity. Nakita ko rin na I can give hope to other people. Kung ano ang na-experience ko na hope sa sakit ko, sabi kong ganun, pwede rin ma-experience ng iba. So I started doon lang, sharing the product to be the advocate of product. Bakit ko kinikwento? Kasi sabi mo, pag-start ko dito, ano gagawin ko? So for us that we can relate, ano nga ba ang pwede natin gawin when we start doing this? So na nakita ko, this product can help other people. So doon na ako help other people. But during that time, I have my business. Mayroon akong consultancy firm. I have I'm handling a lot of companies. So now, nang nakita ko, uy, okay, this product can help other people. And then, na-recall ko. Sabi ko, nang bata pa ako, I have a lot of dreams. Di ba si Miss Mike, gumawa nga ng dream board niya, right? I have my dream, sabi ko, na paglaki ko, makagraduate ako, and then I will land a good job. And true enough, nangyayari naman halos sa atin, di ba? Regardless, nakagraduate ko, hindi ka nakagraduate, mayroon kang job. Tama ba? Kahit anong klaseng job, construction worker, or whatever that is, that's a noble job, janitor man. But then, mayroon tayong job, right? But then, sabi nga ni Miss Mai, 13 years siya na nag-work. Ako na-realize sabi ko rin noon, nang nag-work so hard ako, ilang years ako nag-work? And then I reached the age of, I think I am 33 during that time, and I realized, working so hard, parang hindi ko pa rin ma-reach yung dream ko at the age of 60 or 65 nang pag-retire ko. Kasi nakita ko naman yung mga ibang kasama ko sa office, mga friends ko, nag-retire at the age of 60, parang the same pa rin yung buhay. Regardless of the position nila sa company. No? And anong mayroon sila na na-accumulate? Sabi ko, mayroon silang retirement. Ha? Retirement pay. But the thing is, that retirement pay, how long mo i-enjoy? Di ba? Nakaka-relate ba? Nakikita ba natin yan sa kapaligiran? Yes, so yun ang iniisip ko. And ano pang na-accumulate? Sakit. Kasi ang dami ko na rin nang nag-retire ako ang aking pension, kulang pa sa aking maintenance. Tama ba? So sabi nila, may mabuti na lang mga anak ko, sinusustentuhan ako. Di ba? But then, nakita niyo the burden, no? The burden sa mga anak na dapat yung mga anak, they will enjoy life na. Hindi na dapat nag-isip sa akin, no? So now, nung nakita ko yung scenario na yun, sabi ko, I will put up my own business para at least medyo mag-improve yung life ko. Baka hindi ko dadanasin yung nadadanas ng iba. And then, simula nung 33 years old ako, hanggang sa inabot ko yung 53, doing my business, my own business. Ano ang na-accumulate ko? Sakit. Kasi napaka-stressful. O hindi biro magkaroon ng business. Tama ba? So, sakit ang na-accumulate. So, ngayon, nagbakasyon ako. I remember, nang nagbakasyon ako noon, siyempre, pag nagbakasyon ka, wala kang income kasi ang business mo is ikaw lang yun. Ang tawag doon is self-employed. Tama? No? Self-employed. So, nandun na tayo sa pangalawa. Kanina, naging employee ako, tapos self-employed na. So ngayon, naisip ko rin, at the age of 60, kung hindi ako maka-accumulate that amount na gusto ko para sa ating retirement age, sabi ko gano'n. And then, hindi na ako able to work. Kasi di ba, pag ilan mo 60, 70, kung hindi ka na able to work, and you are working alone sa business mo, kahit pa may staff ka, but then if you will stop, yung mga empleyado mo na yun, magsastop din yan, right? Yes. So ngayon sabi ko, anong klaseng industry or ano ang pwede ko gawin for me to reach my dream? So wala akong makita, wala akong formula eh. Eh nakita ko naman sa mga businesses na hinahandle ko, they have that big business but it entails a big capital. So ngayon, kung may big capital ka in the business, it's a high risk. And hindi ka lang magsa-start zero. Yung iba, they're starting at negative. Why? Ipapangutang yung kanilang business. Right? And then, in the business, may tinatawag tayo na nagka-ups and down. Na? Kasi based on the statistics, ilang percent yung mga businesses na talagang nagpo-prosper in the world, hindi lang sa Philippines, ha? It's just 1%. Bakit 1%? In the first 5 years, 10% ang nakaka-survive. In another 5 years, so pang 10 years, it's just 10% out of that 10% ang nakaka-survive. So, ibig sabihin, 1% lang. And sino lang ang belong sa 1%? So, inisip ko, mag-start ako ng business, pwede ba ako mabilong doon sa 1%? It's not a guarantee, right? So, hindi guarantee. So, hindi ko alam na saan ako pupunta for me to reach my dream. Kasi yung iba, okay naman sa life eh. Parang tinanggap na lang natin na anyway, yung mga neighbor natin, yung magulang natin, tumanda naman sila, di ba? Okay naman, hanggang sa nawala na lang sila sa mundo. But then if we really want to make a difference in life, we need to think, ano ang pwede natin gawin? And it's not just us. Sabi nga kanina ni Miss Mal, destiny, sabi ni si Jay, the destiny, or we will say purpose. Okay. So now, inisip ko, ano bang purpose ko in life? Na? Anong purpose natin in life? Hindi naman tayo kinreate ng Creator natin just for ourselves alone. Right? Now, we will enjoy life in goodbye. Goodbye Philippines or goodbye world. But then, kinreate tayo ng Creator natin for us to do something. Not just for ourselves, but for other people. And how we can touch the life of other people. Tama?
Yes.
So now, paano ako makamake difference? Sasabi ko nga, parang imposible naman nag-uun sa business, big business, di ba? So sabi ko kung investment, may mga nag-i-invest ng mga malalaki, di ba? May mga nag-i-invest sa stocks, na? Or nag-i-invest sa real estate. So malaki ang investment doon na hinahanap. And risky din. But then other than that, dahil wala naman akong pag-invest na ganun kalaki, other than that, ano pa? And the good thing is, in this 2017, no? 2017, nang in-introduce sa akin yung product, and ginrab ko rin ang opportunity because of my health, nakita ko, mayroon pa pala, other than na-mention ko kanina na 4 types of things that we can do in life in order to survive. So mayroon pa pala. And ano yun? Direct selling. Freeway International is a direct selling company. Yes. So mayroon pala. At sabi ko sa direct selling pala, hindi mo kailangan ng capital. Bakit? Nag-good na ang health mo, bumili ako ng product for my health. So, ibig sabihin, wala akong kapital doon. Tama ba? Ginamit ko. Bakit? Kung bumili ka ba ng iPhone, no? Gusto mo iPhone, pagbili mo, may business component ba? Wala. Binili mo kahit gano'ng kamahal yan kasi gusto mo. Ito, for your health. No? For your health. So wala kang capital. But then, because Riway International is a company that's not just concerned for your health, but concerned to you as a person, as a human being, that you will be a better version of yourself. So can we give Riway a round of applause? So that's the reason why, ladies and gentlemen, I closed my business way back 2018 and embraced this Riway platform, and until now, I'm doing this full-time. So sabi mo, hindi kanina ka pa nagkikwento, Riway, sila lahat Riway ang kinikwento. Paano yan? Mukhang hindi naman, sabi niya, hindi madali, mahirap, di ba? Paano? So now, sabi ni May, marami siya kanina naikwento, maraming knowledge doon na. Ako kasi, doon na sabi ko nga, consultancy ang business ko. So consultant, maybe, parang ginagamitan din ng kunting utak. Tama ba? Kunting utak. But then, nang na-encounter ko ito si Riway, actually, nang na-encounter ko si Riway, dahil parang tamad akong aral, ayaw ko alamin. Mayroong nangangailangan. Pinapa-explain sa akin, yung marunong. Anong ginawa ko? Tinawag ko lang yung nag-invite sa akin. Siya ito nag-explain doon. O diba? Minsan, pag medyo tatanggalin mo lahat ng knowledge mo na alam mo na yan, alam mo na yung bagay na ginagawa mo, and ask help. Nakakatulong, diba? Yun. So, na-close ko yung first person na sinasabi dito na ni-sponsor ko. So now, kanina, yung first part na kinuwento ko, that is the reason why I do Riway. Ito, the second part na ito. Very short lang. This is the second part. So ngayon, ano nang ginawa ko? No? Dito sa Riway kasi, mayroon tayong tinatawag na NDO, New Distributors Orientation. And that New Distributors Orientation, that is 1 to 10. Kanina yung sinabi ni Miss May, mayroon siyang dream board. Actually, pang 10th part ng NDO yun, na dream board, okay? Building your dreams. So dito, yung kanina na ikwento ko, bakit ako nasa Riway, yun ang rason. That is why Riway, that is NDO number 1. So now, nandito na ako, I will walk you through a very short in the second one. No, and yun naman ang tinatawag na 2 mindsets. Ayun. Very important pala ang mindset. Kasi in everything that we do in our lives, kung ang mindset natin is mali, we cannot reach our goal.
Correct.
Tama? Yes. So in the 2 mindsets, dapat pala, sabi ni Dr. Limbunhong, malayo yung pananaw mo. Mayroong long-term thinking. Ganon. Kasi kung short-term, katulad yan, we are in the selling business nga, di ba? Ay di magbenta na lang ako today para may income ako today. Tama? And tomorrow, magbenta ako ulit para may income ako tomorrow. Very short yung pananaw natin kung ano ang in front of us. But then, kapag titingnan natin yung malayo na mararating natin, katulad ng 2017, first time ako umatin, nakaupo ako dyan sa likod. May sticker dito, hindi ko sila maintindihan. Ayan, hindi ko maintindihan. Sabi ko, ay, ma-star daw. Ayaw ko mag-star. Sabi ko gano'n. Ayaw ko ng star-star kasi parang para sa akin imposible, no? But then, hanggang sa I go along doing advocating health. Nakita ko the star, the rank, like our Team Elite Pegasus Munondo, na kapag tumataas ang rank mo, it signifies din pala na you touch many lives. So now, nang time na yon, nasabi ko, iba pala ang culture ni Riway. Hindi pala ito benta-benta. Una, hindi ako marunong magbenta. Hindi yan yung aking background. Hindi ako marunong magbenta. And wala akong talent to be with other people doing business other than my consultancy. Yun ang alam ko eh. Di ba? But then, nang nakita ko sa kaka-attend ko, may mga tao na naka-achieve. And you cannot achieve something pala kung hindi malayo din ang titignan mo. So sabi ko, kung mayroong rank, and mayroong mga buhay silang natatouch, ibig sabihin, kung ipagpatuloy mo ito regardless, ano man ang mai-encounter mo, it is doable. Sabi nga, it's not easy. Actually, ng time na yun, kahit hindi ako marunong, tinulungan din ako ng upline ko, paano siya i-explain to other people. A lot of projections, of course. So, kung short term ang pananaw mo, mag-quit ka. Di ba? Mag-quit ka. One person, the second person, the third, mag-quit ka. But then, kung mayroon kang tinitingnan in the future, regardless whatever that is, na hindrance, you will push through. And that is the time that you can accumulate story. Di ba sabi ni Mike kanina, I story. Ayan. You can accumulate story. Na kahit sino pa, ano pa ang ma-encounter mo in the future, you have the answer at hand. So yun, malayo ang pananaw. The next dito is 100% duplication. So ano naman ang 100% duplication? Sabi nga ni Mike kanina, kung ang baso, no? Ang baso ng tubig kapag puno, pag nilagyan mo ng water, kunti lang ang makuha mo. But then kapag tinapon mo lahat yan, pag nilagyan mo ng panibagong water, buo na isang baso ang mailagay mo. So now, 100% duplication. Ano yun? So una, as what I mentioned, ang nag-sponsor sa akin, tinulungan ako to share to somebody. So nang nag-share ako to somebody, nakabenta ako. That is the first step, of course. You need to sponsor someone. So nang nakabenta na ako doon, na-sponsor ko na siya, hindi nag-stop doon pala. Yung sponsor ko, tinutulungan niya ako how to help that person sponsor then other people. So hanggang sa natuto ako na sponsor pala ito and tulong-tulong cultivating people, na? So yun ang sinasabi na after you sponsor, you will teach yung kasunod sa'yo. So unti-unti ko rin tinulungan, and then after that, nang natulungan ko na siya, like sa akin, naging independent na ako doon sa sponsor ko. Di ba, Mon? Alam mo yan. Si Mon alam niya kung gaano ako ka-independent sa sponsor ko. So yan din ang pasa ko doon sa akin ni sponsor. So it's either isang tao, yung pangalawang tao, pangtatlong tao, na magiging independent din sila. So now, na magiging independent sila, that is my role sa aking ni sponsor. So tayo ngayon, yung mga bago, or mga leaders na nakalimutan na natin yan. Yan ang balikan natin to sponsor, to teach, and turuan din natin magiging independent. Kasi tayo ay independent na. Now, role natin yan. But then, hindi nagsastop doon. Bakit nag-grow a lot of people? Bakit ito, mayroon tayong Timilit Pegasus, no? Ramon Hondo. May Timilit Paro tayo, Luhang Baro. O, di ba? Bakit mayroon tayo ganyan? Kasi hindi nagsastop doon. Mayroon tayong company na napaka-supportive sa atin. During the 99%, ang role natin is just 1%. Ano yung yun? Yung company, a lot of things na like this, libre ito, di ba? Mamaya, mayroon pa tayong buffet dinner doon, libre din. O, yan. So, 99% na ginagawa ng company, that's why may mga leaders tayo na nag-develop. So, like ako, Or like sa mga bago pa lang ngayon, kapag hindi mo pa masyadong kabisado, pwede ka mag-borrow strength. Kanina ka mag-borrow strength? Sa mga leaders na nag-achieve na. Kanina, di ba turo ng turo si Mike? Sabi ni Mike, pag nakita niya si Monroe, parang hindi niya pakawalan. Di ba? Ang dami mong mali-learn. And then, kung mayroon kang bagong guest, for example lang, hindi mo ma-explain masyado. Or parang mahina yung strength mo, pakiramdam mo. You can make use of the leaders like, alam mo ba yan? Yan, si Monroe, Team Pegasus yan. Gwapo sa akin yan. Can we give him a round of applause? Siya, 30 years yan sa network marketing. Pero alam mo ngayon, nagiging successful dito. Ito na ang narating niya. And he has a lot of people under him. So now, with that, we can borrow strength from other leaders. Or kung sino na leader, yung makita ninyo, you can borrow strength. O you can borrow strength na, alam mo, our BDs, na mga napakagwapo, no? Saan? Kahit saan kayo, pag nasa loob nyo, you will seek help sa kanila. Nandyan sila to give advice. So yun lang, turo-turo lang. Ito lang gagamitin mo, turo-turo sa kanila, oh. Ay, alam mo yan? Dati hindi maganda yan. Ngayon, napakaganda na. So yan how we can borrow strength from our leaders. Next, mayroon tayong tinatawag dito ng mga tools. Ano naman yun? Dito, pwede natin sabihin na, alam mo ba, may mga magazine tayo. Kanina binanggit ni Ma yung ating OPP, di ba? Nagtanong ng OPP. Yung ating presentation booklet. So the company, nag-spend so much for that. For us to have that OPP booklet. Uniform yan. OPP booklet mo dito sa Philippines, ganoon din sa Europe, ganoon din sa Japan. Translation lang pagkakaiba. So doable ba? Doable, madali matandaan, madali mo rin ituro. So we have that. And we have the magazines. Marami tayo. May magazine tayo sa Philippines. You can bring that. Sabihin, ito alam mo ba ito? Yung cover ng magazine na ito, taxi driver ito dati. Tingnan mo ng Mercedes-Benz. Ito bahay na niya. So you can borrow strengths from that. No? Kung international naman, marami kang maituturo doon. Or, I encourage you, try to download the Reway magazine. Doon makita nyo lahat. Kahit yun, pwede mo buksan, ituro-turo mo. So, ako nga, tinuturuan ko rin yung ating mga leaders. Alam mo, pag may magazine ka dito, especially pag magazine sa Philippines, pwede natin gamitin yung pangalan mo dyan na nakalagay. So, kung start ka, pangalan lang. Pero at least nasa magazine ka. Kasi kahit sa international, pangalan mo nandoon. Diba? Nakapangalan ka. So ngayon, yan, we can borrow strength from that. Ano pa? Ang next, we have all the meetings like this, the leader sharing. Very important, the leader sharing. You can bring people para makita nila, ano ang Reway? Ano ang culture ng Reway? Leader sharing, the OPP, kanina sinasabi, mamaya may OPP tayo. And then, ano pa, may mga iba-iba, kanina nakita niyo yung mga Finlash dyan na naka-video. Yan yung mga meetings natin, top leaders meeting, sabi kanina ni May, LR, yan, leaders recognition night, no? Sa ibang country yun, pero we go there. And ito naman, sa 26, pupunta kami ng Thailand. Leadership training and seminar. So, yes, and with that, a round of applause. The company is investing so much for that meetings for us leaders to grow. So, do you think ba doing Reway is mahirap? No! Bakit? Pwede naman na medyo hindi mo na gamitin yung isip mo, no? Borrow strength ka na lang. Hanggang sa mag-grow ka, if you experience the good thing, no one can stop you na by doing things. And I would like to acknowledge also the presence of our Team Elite Pegasus Theodore Tong. So, thank you so much sa mga. So, leaders, doing Reway pero itong mahirap na madali. Kasi you are not alone. Borrow strength. And first and foremost, we will change our mindset. Kung anong hirap, anong background man natin before, anong hirap yung pinagdaanan natin, gaano tayo kayaman noon, ngayon na nandito tayo sa liwi, we can touch many lives by changing our mindset. Right? So leaders, doing Riway, sabi ko nga, it's not easy, but doable.
Yes.
And the company that we have, the platform of the company that we have, that we can borrow strength from the company, from the leaders, and to each and everyone, especially to the person who invited you, leaders, guests. See you at the top.